फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड गाइस, आई नो व्हाट यू गाइस आर गोइंग टू टाइप. I know it's been a little long since I've posted, like literally almost a month. Yeah, I'm here. I'm finally here. I'm still alive. For someone who were like commenting like, where is she? Is she dead or something? No, I'm alive. But yeah guys, my life literally turned upside down in this past few months, because if you guys haven't known yet, I have actually transferred to Jaipur from Hyderabad, and my life literally changed for the bestest reasons. Like literally I love it here in Jaipur. Next is like my college. It's just amazing. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, Farhana Nushat, first, if you haven't followed yet, what are you guys doing? Go and follow me on my Instagram, Farhana Nushat. You will see all of my friends there. Like, I have met best people in this world, and literally they are literally so good. And yeah, I post like super regular updates there. I post reels and stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, then you guys can go and check out my Instagram and make sure to follow me there as well. And yeah, that's all for the intro. It's already super long, but today, since I'm finally back, and I'm promising you guys I'll try my best to stay regular. You guys have a lot of videos to watch, then go and watch. And I have made a lot of playlists for you guys, so you guys can go and check out those as well. But I will be trying my best to post more videos. So today's video is another fantastic tries it. Let me show you guys this beautiful page that I have printed for you guys, and these are all the people who are getting an exclusive fantastic shout out in this video. Now you guys know how we do this, so I'm going to spin a wheel like this one, and we are going to do the dare of some lucky fantastics. So yeah, let's see. Now let's spin the wheel and see who's the lucky fantastic. So first dare is number 2. So let's see who's the lucky fantastic. So number 2 is Shruti Poria, and her dare is first take a bowl and a spoon and then pour clear glue in it. Okay, then add water. Okay, water, then room freshener activator. Okay, so we are basically going to use room freshener as our activator. I have tried it before, but it didn't work. But let's see. So I'm just going to use this clear container because you guys can see it better, and since we are just going to store it in here, why should I get my bowl dirty? Because it doesn't make sense. ठंड बहुत है guys, like बोल कौन धोएगा? मुझे ही धोना पड़ेगा. ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हम. Okay, let's just add our clear glue in this. So I am taking the classic Yucky Science clear glue. Let's take little bit because I know this is going to fail. Like, I pretty much know it. I am just going to take this much. Even this is too much for trying this recipe, but anyways, let's try this because we don't know, it might work. She really didn't tell how much, so I'm not going to add too much, just 1 cap, because I really want this recipe to work. And now we're just going to mix them together, the clear glue and the water. It's actually getting thicker. Just the water and the glue. I don't know what is happening, but yeah, it is thicker now for some weird reason. Now I'm going to add my room freshener. It's just very big. It cannot fit in this frame, but yeah, this one. I'm using this one because I have this one at home. You guys can use whatever you have. And I'm going to activate it. Oh my god. looks a lot. Okay, now let's mix. Oh my god. It seems like it's doing something, but I really don't know. It does seems like it thickened the mixture a little bit. Can you guys see that? Let's add a little bit more. I think I should stop now. It is getting more liquid. So I think I should stop now and let it sit for 24 hours. So now let's just, keep it like this and just wait for 24 hours. For you guys, it will be at the end of the video. Let's see who is the next Lucky Fantastics. So now let's spin the wheel and let's see who's our next Lucky Fantastic. So as you guys can see, our next dare is number 1. So let's see. So our first Fantastic is Vanilla Santhanam. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but wow, I love your new lighting and background. You have improved. Oh my god, thank you so much, Vanilla. Vanilla, okay? Her name is not Vanilla, it's Vanilla. I think it's a Telugu name, but yeah, thank you so much. Love you, Didi. Love you too, dear. The dare is to make slime with cornstarch, clay, shaving foam, foaming soap. Sorry for being late. Oh my god, you guys are literally so sweet, but yeah, that's a lot of ingredients and I don't see a glue or any activator here, so I don't know how we are going to make slime, but I am just going to trust the process and hope it will form. So with this recipe, what I'm going to do is, first I'll add the dry ingredients like cornstarch, and then I'll add foaming hand wash and like shaving foam, so that we have a base that we can add clay to, and that will make a little bit like a butter slime or a thick slime kind of consistency. Yeah, now let's see if this plan actually works out or not. I'm going to take some cornstarch first. I'm not following any recipes, I'm just eyeballing it. So yeah, if this turns out great, you guys can make a no glue no borax slime, like literally. So I'm just going to take 2 huge teaspoons of cornstarch, because if we add too much cornstarch, then it will be like super doughy and it won't feel like a slime anymore. So I'm just going to, eyeball it a little bit. So I am going to take this foaming hand wash, since this is what I have at home, and this is super great. I really love its fragrance. So I'm going to take 3 to 4 pumps of this, since this is the only kind of liquidy ingredient we have, and this is not mixing really well. I really hope that it will work. Let me just take a little bit more. Let's see. I think that's enough. This is not enough, then we'll add it later, no worries. So I'm going to use this much. I really hope I didn't overdid it, but yeah. Okay, so it is kind of combining with it, the cornstarch mixture. Oh my god, is it actually forming a slime? This is actually mixing very nicely with the cornstarch. So this part is done. So now let's add a little bit of clay, because this is the main ingredient that will help us to make this mess into a slime. this, I really love the consistency of this clay, because it's literally just like a normal butter slime consistency. It's really soft. Can you see that? This is so cool. Okay, now let's add this into our mixture. I don't know, this seems like wasting this clay, but anyways, it's all for you guys. I really hope this activates. This just doesn't activate, like, at all. What the heck? I thought I ruined this, but this is actually coming together. Guys, it actually did work a little bit. Like, it has made the clay more solid for some reason, but it actually stretches completely fine. Like, as you guys can see, it does stretch a lot, and it still functions as a sensory toy or a slime. So I think this kind of worked, but I'll suggest you guys just, mix this clay with a little bit of lotion and it will be like a butter slime. But this kind of works as well. But yeah, that's a lot of ingredients, and I'm pretty sure like you won't have all of them. Like, if you have, that's well and good, you guys can make it. It's amazing and it's stretchy. But if you don't have that, just buy this clay and add a little bit of lotion in it. It's basically a slime. So yeah, now let's see how the first slime turned out. So fantastics, it's been like a day, like 10 to 12 hours, और ये अभी तक बहुत ही ज़्यादा liquid condition में है. If it has to be like a slime, ठंडियों में actually slime बहुत जल्दी जम जाती है, but this didn't really worked out. So I really don't know, and fragrance की वजह से slime actually melt होती है. So I don't know how this is supposed to work, but yeah. So मेरे पास mixture है वो cornstarch वाला अभी भी रखा हुआ है. So now I'll just make it. Just ignore my sleeves, it's just super cold in here. So now I'm just going to mix it with this, and I'll make a slime hopefully out of this, and activate it and make something out of it for you guys, because it's just a waste of glue and I don't want to do that. So yeah, let's just do this and just mix everything together, and I'll activate it. I'm just going to activate it by a normal activator. If you guys want to know how to make this activator, you guys can check out the link on the I button, or just check out description. You'll find it. I'm just activating it, and it is activating, thank God. And actually we can do a thing. We can use this clay slime and just mix it and make it like a clay kind of butter slime. I don't know if it actually will work or not. I've mixed them, and now let's see what happens. So fantastic, as you guys can see, after a lot of kneading, we have finally got our slime together. Oh my god, it's just so nice. So yeah, fantastics, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys are still here and watching this today live, I love you guys so much, and I have missed you guys a lot. I'll promise I try my best to upload regularly, but you guys have to think I have literally college every day and I have literally no time at all, but I'll try my best to post once every week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.